I'm Alan, and I have myopia, or nearsightedness, and I've been wearing MiSight contacts since I was 12. Today I'll show you how to put them in and take them out step by step. Before starting, remember to wash your hands. It's important to have clean hands and dry them on a towel that's not fluffy, like a lint-free paper towel, before opening the contact lens pack. Now we're ready. Open the contacts one at a time carefully to make sure they don't fall out. Then use your pointer finger to gently scoop the lens out. With the lens on your finger, use your other hand to gently pinch it and flip it over so it sits on the tip of your finger like a tiny bowl. If it doesn't look like a bowl, check to see if it's right side up. Gently pinch the lens and it should start to fold closed. If it starts to flatten out, that means it's inside out, so flip it over and try again. This next part might feel weird at first, but actually it's easy and you'll get the hang of it fast. Make the number 1 with your hand and bring it over top just like this. Use your finger to lift the top eyelid right next to your eyelashes. You don't have to pull hard, but you do want to pull it high enough to fit the contact in. Now take your hand with the lens and use the middle finger to pull your bottom eyelid down, right on top of the eyelashes. Sometimes I test my grip by trying to blink to make sure they won't close. Keep looking at the mirror and gently touch the lens on the colored part of your eye. You don't have to press hard. If your eyelid starts to slip, stop and start again. If you're sure the contact lens is mostly on the eye, pull the index finger away and let go of your eyelid. Slowly blink to make sure the lens stays in. Once you do that with one eye, repeat those steps for your other eye. Remember to take your time and be gentle as you place the lens on your eye. Removing each lens is a lot like putting them in. After washing up, use the same fingers to hold your eyelids open. To remove the lens, take your thumb and create a little pincher like this with your pointer finger. This will help you gently grab the lens off your eye. This makes it easier to grip the lens and remove it. Gently pinch the lens. As you feel it on your fingers, slowly pull your hand away to remove it. Repeat those steps with your other eye and throw away your contacts in the garbage, never the sink or toilet. It's important to take your contacts out before you shower or do any water activity like swimming. Do not expose contacts to water while wearing them. And don't wear your contacts when sleeping because your eyes can get uncomfortable or even infected. And that's it. MiSight makes my day easier.